This is what happens when you leave me a mini bike with no motor. We just refinished the seat this morning. Took all 5 minutes. Back tires, a snowboard hub assembly. Kind of modified a little bit with the Yamaha rear hub and sprocket and the Predator 212 motor with a CTV clutch. Comet knockoff. An eBay special for $69.99. Bought that last year. Run 3 carts with it. Never had a problem. 2 days ago we took it apart here. We noticed that our shim in the clutch, the brass shim, had split in half, so I'll be ordering more of those. But besides that, everything seems to be good.